Tips and tricks for a healthy, lush yard. Mowing your lawn is more than just cutting grass. It's about maintaining a healthy and thriving landscape. Proper mowing techniques can enhance your lawn's appearance, prevent weeds, and strengthen grass. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, these tips and tricks will help you mow like a pro. 1. Choose the right mower for your lawn. Selecting the right mower depends on your lawn size and terrain. Push mowers, great for small lawns and environmentally friendly. Gas-powered or electric push mowers, ideal for medium-sized lawns, offering more power and efficiency. Riding lawn mowers, best for large lawns, saving time and effort. Robotic lawn mowers, a hands-free, automatic option for busy homeowners. 2. Mow at the right height. Never remove more than 1/3 of the grass blade at a time. Cutting too short weakens the grass and exposes the soil to weeds. Different grass types have ideal mowing heights. Cool season grasses. Fescue, bluegrass, ryegrass 2.5 to 3.5 inches in warm season grasses. Bermuda, zoysia, St. Augustine 1 to 2.5 inches. In the summer, keep the grass slightly taller to provide shade for the soil and reduce moisture loss. 3. Keep your mower blades sharp. Dull blades tear the grass instead of cutting it cleanly, leading to brown, jagged tips and disease susceptibility. Sharpen your blades every 20 to 25 hours of mowing or at least twice per season. Check for nicks and dull edges and replace blades if necessary. 4. Change up your mowing pattern. Mowing in the same direction every time can cause ruts in the soil and grass blades to lean in one direction. Alternate between vertical, diagonal, and horizontal mowing paths for an even cut and a healthier lawn. 5. Mow when the grass is dry. Wet grass clumps together, making it harder to mow and increasing the risk of fungal diseases. The best time to mow is late morning or early evening when the dew has dried and the sun isn't too harsh. 6. Mow at the right frequency. Spring and fall. Mow once a week when growth is rapid. Summer. Mow every 7 to 10 days to reduce stress on the grass. Winter. Stop mowing when grass growth slows significantly. 7. Mulch instead of bagging clippings. Leave grass clippings on the lawn. This will mulch and will provide natural fertilizer, returning nitrogen and organic matter to the soil. If the clippings are too long or clumpy, rake them to avoid smothering the grass. 8. Edge and trim for a professional finish. Use a string trimmer or edger to maintain crisp borders along sidewalks, driveways, and flower beds. Trimming after mowing ensures an even look and prevents overgrowth in hard-to-reach areas. 9. It is important to maintain your mower regularly. Clean the mower deck after each use to prevent grass buildup. Check oil levels and change the oil as recommended by the manufacturer. Replace air filters and spark plugs annually for optimal engine performance. 10. Adjust mowing practices based on the season. Spring. Start mowing when the grass reaches its ideal height. Apply fertilizer to encourage growth. Summer. Mow less frequently and keep the grass taller to retain moisture. Avoid mowing in extreme heat. Fall. Continue mowing until the grass stops growing. Lower the cutting height gradually for winter. In winter, store your mower properly and winterize it by draining the fuel and lubricating parts. Following these detailed tips and tricks, you'll maintain a lush, green lawn that enhances your home's curb appeal and remains healthy year-round. Happy mowing! Follow these step-by-step suggestions, and you will be on your way to maintaining a beautiful lawn.